Hi there, so I thought I might do a little review of my IKEA RASKOG tool cart. So maybe some makers can get some inspiration from this project for their own tool carts, because this is the layout that's really working out for me. And maybe there are some ideas you can pick up from here. First, let's start with how the cart is located. So basically, here is my desk and working area. And so this cart is just on the right side, and I can't access it from the back because, well, there's the door. So, well, basically everything I'm picking up from here only is like from this side. So everything is organized that way. I can access them from here. And let's make a little overview. First, on the top, this is also from IKEA. It helps to clean up the mess that's under here. So right now it's okay, but usually there's like little pieces of balsa wood and yeah, you see like little stuff like that. To keep it clean, I put on top of here this cutting board that perfectly fits with the grooves there. Also, this helps as an additional work surface. If I have to put stuff aside for a moment, I can do that. Next, under there is a little organizer. I made out of some MDF and I painted it black. So that fits all my tape rolls. So on the back it's the same thing. Here are some corners with like little radius. I can't put the thing to the right side. I had to leave a little space in the middle, but that works out for the little tape rolls, so that's also nice. Here, this less organized area with the little power supply and some longer tools that wouldn't fit anywhere else. Here, a bucket for all the screwdrivers. This I picked up from Casa. It's a shop in the Netherlands. But, well, you could make something similar or maybe buy something that looks the same. It adds some additional storage on the side and everything is quick access. You can see all the little symbols on the ends there and I can pick what I want. Then this is like maybe the most easy to recreate part of this tool cart. Well, the sides here are nice and high, so you can take these little pliers that need to have a little spring in the middle. So there is a nice balance point there. And you can just put them on the edge, like so. And well, I have done that with all my little pliers. And again, really quick access. I can take what I want, put it back there. Really efficient. And it also looks clean. And yeah. Also, it's nice that the edge here is round. So it kind of gives a little balancing point there. And finally, under the cart, I have some random stuff like the hot glue gun and the Dremel tool and some markers, stuff like that. And yeah, finally on the garage floor, the little wheels. If I need to open the door, I can move this. So yeah, this is how I did my RASKOG cart. If you have any tips or advice of how you have managed to use a RASKOG cart in your workshop, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.